Good morning, friends. Today I will talk with you what is the control word and status word. Control words means when the PLC whatever command is giving to the drives for control the motors, that is control word. And whatever the drives is calculating the actual signals from the motors, monitoring from the motors, this status signal giving to the PLC feedback, that is the status word signal. Today we are using one ABB drives and the Siemens PLC S7416. I will discuss how the Siemens PLC is controlling with the ABB drives. Firstly, we know that ABB and Siemens both are the different manufacturers. So for the ABB drives hardware configurations, we need the GST file of that particular ABB drives and install the GST file. After GST file installations of particular drives, we make the some Profibus communications baud rates, which should be same for the PLC sections and the hardware sections. The address should be matched and particular baud rate should be also matched. So now we just give the some small brief that how you will be doing this one. When the GST file will come, you can set the address like here 25. This is the address, and particular this is on the Profibus, and baud rates you also just baud rate you can also select. This is the 1.5 Mbps baud rates we have selected here, and same you will select in the drive also. I will show later that how you will be select this baud rates in the drive. Now after installation of GST file, there is some input output address will become by default due to the GST file. This is the input address of the drive. This is the 6 channels inputs and 6 channels outputs, which will be used from PLC to the drives. This is the address. Okay. Now friends, I am telling for the particular any drive. Friends, for different make drives, we need to the mapping of the signals. So we need some standard library to map the signals. For this, we have mapped here, map the signals. Now I will show you that mapping of the signals. Now we will just see here. This is our standard library where the signal is mapping here. Now here is the status words from the drive which is coming here. We have mapped in the PLC like status 01, which signal is coming in the STW01 in our PLC. Same from control words, which is come to the our PLC. This is the mapping control word which is mapping to the drives. You can just see for particular you will be see which control words need to the map which signals. So often which is going to drive DIX AR1P as 35.0. I will show you later in the drive control words what signals, what bits will be controlling which thing in the drive. Now friends, I will tell you in which blocks. Now this is our particular drives which I will tell you. This is our library blocks for controlling this one FB1101. Okay, AV driver. This is our library which have been mapping. I told you. This side, this is the status word which is coming from the drive to PLC, and this side it is the control word which is going to the drive. So I will show you the control word where is coming in the drive and status word from drive to here how there is coming. Okay friends. Friends, I am talking about the ABB drive. This is the ACS 880, and this is one drive which parameters is updating here. You just see it, drive is running because actual speed, motor speed used, this value is also coming. Firstly, I told to you whatever the PLC hardware configuration need to be also do in the our drive setting also, so that drive and PLC will be communicate to each other. So the hardware configurations, the Profibus address and baud rate will be set in the 51 group parameters. Field bus adapter, this is type is the Profibus, and the node address is 25. Baud rate we have already selected 1.5 Mbps. So we will also select this one. Then this will be communicating with our PLC to the drive. And some parameters which is also we have already discussed in the previous video, but little bit I told you. There is the main important parameter is 99. This is group parameter, whichever you will be find the important parameter of this drive, and 200 group parameter. This is the safety parameters of this one. So today I will not discuss about more about the drives. Only we will discuss about the control words and status words. So control word parameters group is the 6 number groups. Okay, in 6 number groups, when you will become, this is the main control word which is coming from the drive to here. So we should know that which control word signal is coming to here. So you will just open this one. Now this value 047F in hexadecimal, this is coming from PLC to here. So you will just see it that whatever the bits value is meaning of this one, you just see from here. Run command is also coming from the PLC, and OP3 control 111. This all control words is coming from the PLC to the drives. This is the, according to this is controlling our drive. Okay. Now friends, in another control word, you just see here the control all signal is 0, auxiliary controls word. Okay, and you just see which control word signal is coming from PLC to here. You just see this value is in decimal 1151. I will show you in our PLC that which signal is coming to here. Now you just see this is our controller 1151. This signal is going to our drive. So you always understand that according to this control word signals will be controlling in our drive. So during mapping of the signal, you should aware from which bit is controlling for which purpose in the drive. So before making the standard library, you should understand which control bit is for which purpose. You will see the catalog of the drives or take the discussions with the seniors that how will be controlling the drive by the control bits. Okay friends, now this is our status word. Okay, so we also this signal is coming from the drive to PLC. So I will show this status word, which status signal is coming from drive to the our PLC 4919. This is in the decimal format. Okay, now I will show you in our drive. There is the main status words signal. Okay, so in our PLC it was 4919. Now we will click. You just see it. This signal is going to the our PLC. So this signal, what signal is going to the our PLC? It is showing ready run, ready reference. This all 0 to 15 numbers bit signal is going to our drive. Now according to this bit signal status, you will control in our PLC. You can show the alarm, you can give the fault, whatever you want, you can edit and you can show it. Friends, now you can understand that how the PLC is controlling to the our drive. This is the briefly discussions. I am telling you what the control word, what is the status word, how the PLC is controlling to the our drives, and how the drive is giving our status to the PLC. Friends, if you like my video, kindly share it, subscribe it, and continue follow our channel. Thank you so much.